Hey everybody, how you doing? AmpRepairGuy.com, also HarbachElectronics.com, 203-892-4119. We have another Ameritron Al-811 here. I have a lot of stuff to fix. An Al-572, waiting on parts for all these things. Al-82, Al-1500. I have a Al-1200 on the way, and more. So, doing things as quickly as I can. So, I'm going to go through this and fix it. So this was snapped off. I've shown it before where when they've installed the straps, they allow the braided material to wick the solder up, so it's really rigid, so they're prone to snapping, so I always redo it. So I'm going to fix all three, put the proper screw in. That is not correct. There's the bias mod done. I'm going to go through the rest of it, and it needs new SO239s. Just must have been using low quality connectors. I don't have this problem with older amps that have a lot more use. So, not worth taking the chance for what the connectors cost. I always swap them out. I use ones I get from Alan Bond and Paul Bond over there at Max Gain Systems. So, I will be back. See you guys soon. Stay tuned. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. See you soon. Okay, so I'm back with the completed amplifier. So he provided a set of Penta tubes, but he needed a new set, so he ordered a new set from Penta. Awesome company, great customer service. So I'll show you what I did. The old SO239 connectors, took the metal oxide varistor and gas discharge tube off the board. I replaced all three straps. Added the gas discharge tube to the base of the socket, one per side. I put them down there so if a tube were to flash all the way back to the filament, it doesn't backfeed through the board and do damage to the board. Tightened up on a bunch of hardware, fixed a bunch of solder connections, re-zipped, tied the wires, missing a zip tie down there. So clean the rotary switches with the Oxide Gold, the input rotary switch and also the output band switch. And put the proper screw in, put a longer screw in the base of the choke, and she is now good to go. So if you need an amplifier repaired, any of the ones you see on my YouTube channel, feel free to give me a call. Tube amplifiers only. My phone number is 203-892-4119. Please like, share, and subscribe. And I will get back on that 160 through 15 meter amp as soon as possible, but customers' amplifier work comes first. So, thanks again for watching and have a great day. See you guys soon. 73.